So here we are, January 30th, 2022. I haven't updated much because we had a week ago Monday, no more than that. Almost 2 weeks ago Monday, we had 18 inches of snow and nothing happened since then. That I know of. I do know that there's only going to be at least one little bit of surprise inside, so we'll take a look at that. I don't expect this to be very long. Okay, what do we have here? Yep, that all looks the same. A little off there on the bottom, isn't it? But here's something. What does that look like? If you guessed the shower, you are correct. Here is the shower in the master bedroom. Roughing that in. Nothing else over here. Roughing in some of the other plumbing up top. Roughing in some plumbing here, because this is our laundry room entranceway. More plumbing there. Here's the bath insert for the main bathroom. Where the sink goes here. This will be a single sink. I'm cutting through back into the master bedroom. Oop, there's the hole for the toilet. There's going to be a double sink here. Let's see if they've got anything over in the kitchen area. And we've got a pipe over here for water. Yeah, and that's it for right now. I think that water is for the refrigerator, but we're not having a refrigerator that has water and ice for now, but it's good to have it there. Everything else looks the same. Nothing else to show you. That's what's happened so far. It's supposed to be above freezing this week, so maybe we'll have some more stuff happening. Bye.